Hello everybody, this is Tom Worsley from Ontario Hiking Trails, and it is April 14th and I am so excited. Tomorrow, April 15th, we are heading to Rondeau Provincial Park for our first camping trip of the summer, and it is an hour away, or approximately an hour away from Point Pelee. And I've always wanted to go to Point Pelee ever since I knew that birding was a thing. I've always wanted to go to Point Pelee, so I am so excited. I'm finally going to get to go there. I'm not sure how the weather's going to be, but that's April. You take your chances, right? I think Sunday is supposed to be a nice day, so hopefully when you're watching this video, I will be in Point Pelee. I have lots of videos coming up. Point Pelee, Rondeau Provincial Park, birding videos. The hiking trails at Rondeau look really, really good. So tomorrow I will be on the road on my way to Rondeau Provincial Park, and I can hardly wait. It's going to be the first camping trip of the year, and I'm just so looking forward to it. As you're watching this video on Sunday, hopefully, with any luck, I will be in Point Pelee. So stick around, stay tuned, and I'm going to go over some of my best drone footage with you today. So this is Crown Land, just off the forest access road from Crystal Lake. And it was just a gorgeous morning. Fog. There's the fog. Fog, beautiful sunlight, sunrise, and fall colors. Just a beautiful morning. I was so excited that I forgot to take photographs. I have drone video, but I don't have any photographs. This is my most favorite place to come and fly my drone. It's the Kawartha Trans-Canada Trail. It's an old abandoned railway trail. Every time I come here, I come away with something great. That's the Dobes Trestle Bridge between Omemee and Peterborough. This is the Oak Ridges Moraine. I'm inside Long Sault Conservation Area. I just love the tree canopy here. I believe it's late August. There's just a little bit of color in the trees. This is Limberlost Forest. Solitaire Lake, and the leaves are just at their peak. I believe we were staying at Arrowhead Provincial Park this week when I shot this. This is the mine in Marmara. Pretty cool spot. If you come here with your drone, don't go too low into the pit. I tried it twice and I lost my connection both times. Scary stuff. But with DJI, if you lose your connection, it has a return to home, thank goodness. This is a hometown favorite conservation area, Pigeon River Headwaters Conservation Area. And the boardwalk running right through the swamp is, right through the marsh swamp, is a cool feature. This hardwood forest is beautiful. And this is the Nefton mine. I love this place. This mine is surrounded by Crown land, so it's somewhere where I need to spend more time and explore. Up on top of the cliffs is an ATV trail. That's where I'm parked. And the ATV trail leads to Jack Lake. This was shot the same day. It's just a short trip through the wilderness on my ATV, and this is where we came out, and the weather was just perfect for flying. I just love how the boats are making the lines in the water. And this is the Beaver River wetlands. I'm just outside of Cannington. You can see the town of Cannington in the background. I kept having seagulls fly through my frame. Here I'm at the Victoria Rail Trail, just north of Kinmount, and this is a beautiful spot. I had horrible light. It was overcast, no sunlight, but look at the trees. If I had just a little bit of light, this video would have turned out way nicer. But not too bad regardless. I'm definitely coming back here this summer. This is why I bought an ATV. This is the Ganaraska Hiking Trail North Kawartha section. I just love this hiking trail. This section is not quite as popular as the Queen Elizabeth Wildlands section, which is getting to be just insane. But I've come in here 3 times and never seen a single soul. It's just beautiful wilderness. And that's it for this week, folks. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps with my channel's popularity.